Hey there everyone, I'm going to show you how to save files to your computer. What I see a lot of people doing is just hitting file save or maybe just save, and then they're not knowing exactly where those files are on your computer. And this happens to me quite a lot. If I'm just in a hurry and I just click save, then I'm not sure exactly where my files are. So we're going to learn just a little bit about the inside of your computer here, okay? First thing is, sometimes you can save things to your desktop. Sometimes you can save things to documents. If you download something from the internet, it automatically goes into downloads unless you control it and tell it to save somewhere else. Okay, and then of course there's pictures, music, and then videos. There's also an external flash drive. If I go ahead and plug in my flash drive, then what you're going to see is the F drive that came up, and this is what's on my flash drive right now. Okay, I'm going to open up, I'm going to minimize, actually I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to open up a PDF document. Okay, this PDF document, I want to go ahead and save it. Now, if I just click File and Save As, let's see what happens. Okay, it's going to automatically default to save in downloads. Okay, I don't want it to do that. I want to tell it where to go. I have to be the driver. So I'm going to tell it to go to Documents. Okay, and maybe I want to tell it exactly what folder to go into. Okay, so I'm going to put it, I'm just going to keep it right here, and then I like the name of it because that's what it is. It's the STAR Assessment Guide, and then I'm going to click Save. Okay, I'm going to X out of this because I want to be able to navigate back to make sure my file is where I saved it. I'm going to click here. I saved it in Documents, and I'm going to look and see if it is here, and it is STAR Assessment Management System. Okay, it is here. All right, now let's say you're like, what? They're telling me to clean my computer, and I'm supposed to get everything off of my computer. What do I want to get off? Okay, well, this is what you would do. You would go to your desktop, or you would go to your documents, and you would see, okay, maybe 4th grade emails might be something important that I would need to back up. So, you know, Colin says I should put that on a flash drive or an external hard drive. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There are several ways you can do it, but the way that I'm going to teach you is the most popular way is when you just right click on that file that you want to keep, copy it, go to your USB flash drive, right click, and paste it. Okay, so now you have essentially backed up that file. So it's separate from your computer. All right, another thing that we can do is, let's say we have this open, and you know, I really want to store that in Google Drive as well. So in order to store that in Google Drive, what I would do is I would open up Google Drive. Then I would take that file. I would take that file right here, and I would drag it over. And do you see how whenever I drag it over, it says copy? And then at the bottom right here, it tells me uploading 4th emails. Now my file is in Google Drive. So now I have backed up on my flash drive. I have saved it to my computer, backed up on my flash drive, and put it in Google Drive. This is a great way to keep your files safe. If you have any questions on how to do any of these things, please ask your campus tech.